Alright everybody, so out here in Eclectic, Alabama, is just north of Auburn, probably about 40 minutes up. And this boat right here, and also the other one, is going to be ceramic coated. So I'm going to show you this one. This is practically a brand new boat. It's going to be, I think it's been brought out in the water just for about, I don't know, limited amount of hours. And got a few scuffs in here. That's not going to come out already, but that comes from these. So going to be going over it, prepping it, and just doing a wipe down on it and making sure that the surfaces are 100% clean. And then I'm going to start ceramic coating. I'm going to be putting the base coat on, waiting about 30-40 minutes after doing the base coat, and then of course doing the topper. The top coat is what gives the hydrophobic properties as far as what everybody likes to see of the water beating effects and whatnot. And you know, so it's going to be pretty cool. So first things first, like I said, got to get some stuff out. I made sure this is the other boat going to be taken care of tomorrow. Got to do some buffing on it, but I'll show you that one after. But just want to show you this. Let me go ahead and get everything set up, then I'll see you in just a sec. Okay everyone, so today going to be doing a ceramic coating on this boat. Going to be working with the base coat first. I'm going to be using an applicator pad to stuff this noxious. Outside is beautiful today. The wind isn't blowing hard. It's pretty. It's about 61, 65 degrees. Perfect temperature. It's probably about 55 right now. And going to be applying this. So hope y'all enjoy this. Let's get straight into it. Let's go. Everybody, so got finished coating the hull of the boat now, and also ceramic coated all of this and also the sides. Now I'm going to be doing the roof, and going to be using 3D product, which is called Touch. So I'm going to be bringing that right here and letting y'all see this right now. It's 3D ceramic Touch, and it's a good ceramic. It's just in a small bottle. It smells pretty good. So gonna open it up. Here we go. I'm gonna stand up here. Doesn't take much of this stuff. It goes very, very far, and works really good. Anytime you're using a ceramic coating, always make sure that you are wearing gloves and PPE, at least some glasses. These are definitely not safety glasses, but they are glasses, and Cartier. So gotta look good while you're doing it. Doesn't hurt. It's all right to look good while you're working. thing I will say about this product is that it is noxious, but it gets the job done. .3D does make some great products, and technology now is allowing people to do things a lot easier every day. Innovations. It's beautiful out here, folks. Absolutely beautiful. Now, if you're wondering where Eclectic is, if you're a football fan, college football, it's about 45 minutes north of Auburn, and it's absolutely gorgeous up here. If you have an opportunity to come up, I would definitely encourage you to come on up and check this place out. It's very, very pretty up here, to say the least. In the least bit. Just wrapped up ceramic coating this boat, and as you can see, it turned out absolutely amazing. So ceramic coated everything that the sun touches, and also the water. But you can see the glossiness on here. You can just see the reflection. It looks pretty. But everything from the rub rail all the way up, I cannot get back into this thing, but everything from up underneath the cover there, also the entire center console, the chair, all of the reel holders. I'm taking you around. Also ceramic coated every bit of non-skid. Ceramic coated the cowling on this engine. On the inside, you can see, I'm going to kind of point here, all on the floor, on the walls, on the inside, it's completely ceramic coated. The entire center console, both sides to front, everything from top to the entire bottom of this boat has been ceramic coated. And let me step down here. Also, one of the big areas that people like to see ceramic coated, just to be able to assist in keeping it clean, is in this area here. So, I'm going to continue taking you around. You can just see, looks awesome, looks great. Also ceramic coated all up here, all the way around. But I'm just letting you see here. You can see that. Turned out good, y'all. So, now, I'm gonna move on to this boat. I'm gonna go ahead and get it prepped for tomorrow. And then tomorrow, which is gonna be in a few seconds, y'all are gonna see ceramic coating this boat. So one of the things I'm gonna show you though, got some marks on here on the sides I gotta get out. Shouldn't be too difficult. The deck of this one is a little dirty, but you can see this minor water line going down the side. Just got to get rid of that. The deck needs to be washed out. Got some of our Exquisite MAD, non-corrosive, polished surface safe, all surface safe soap that I'm going to be using to clean that up. Also on both sides, just got a little bit, just going to do some spot polishing here. But you can see like this kind of stuff right here, that's not going to buff out. That's in the gel coat, and you can see where it actually, where, from my understanding, when it was loaded, hit that and then scraped it all the way down. This boat only has, I believe, about 8 hours on it. That's it, just one day. Same thing with this one over here, brand new boat. So had a few hours on it, but as you can see, turned out absolutely awesome. So see y'all in just a sec. All right, day 2. So just got finished doing the outside of this boat, but this center console is quite a bit bigger. This is a 27-foot boat, and got everything prepped, got the floor completely clean as much as possible here. And now what the idea is to ceramic coat every bit of smooth surfaces first, and then of course the most beneficial, you know, we'll go ahead and ceramic coat all this, all that, but then ceramic coat the non-skid, because the non-skid is the hardest thing for people with boats to keep clean. And so anyway, so give me just a minute, give me just a few minutes. I'm gonna do just a little bit more prep here, and then from there continue rock and roll, and I'll let y'all see this. Right, so everyone, just got wrapped up with this ceramic coating on this boat, and as you can see, it turned out great. It turned out awesome. Base coat, top coat, same as the other one that you've seen in the other video, but this is a C Pro, and took care of the engine cowlings. Also did the non-skid surfaces here. Everything that you see that's on this boat has been coated. Aside from the engine cowlings, come over here, took care of the decks all the way around. Also looking up top, took care of the top up here, the canopy underneath it. Also all the black trim. I'm not going to step up in here because I'm not trying to mess anything up. But all the non-skid has been ceramic coated. The walls here have been coated. Coming all the way up here, you can kind of see around. I'm going to take you around. You see that right there? That's all been coated up there. And the sides, of course, look great. Look fantastic. Look great. So this is another C Pro. This is actually a C Pro. That's been coated. Again, here's a look at the engine cowlings. You can see everything here turned out awesome, turned out great. So let me walk up here, I'll show you. Also even took care of the stainless steel that's right there, polished it and then coated it, and this is the after finish product. So there we go. So anyway, there we go. So that'll be the thumbnail. Besides that, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. And if you're in the market and you're anywhere and you're looking at getting your boat ceramic coated or boat detailed, big rig polishing, tanker polishing, aviation detailing, aircraft cleaning, automotive detailing, give us a call. It is 800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com. If you're a movie or film production company, give us a call, 800-292-2341. We'll get right back to you, get you in the schedule. Regardless of where you are in the world, we can take care of you. So see you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.